Right, welcome back to another reaction video. We are here today with the boys. I just got the notification 11 minutes ago, finished work, did a little workout, just got out the shower, and now I'm ready for Citizen Soldier. Little update on me. The cast has come off. I am now in a splint, which I can take on and off to keep my wrist moving. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. I've got myself a nice little scar. Look at this. Look at this. And, you know, growing up, apparently chicks dig scars. So, ladies, if any of you are out there, am I more attractive now? Who knows? But this is reason to live. Now, let me just put this back on, just because then I will stop myself from hurting myself by accident. Okay, when I did the interview with Jake, which if you haven't seen, make sure you go over. We did the ICU track by track. He said that this was essentially Would Anyone Care's sibling. Now, Would Anyone Care is probably my favourite song from theirs, especially the ending of it, where it flips into a more positive message. And I remember Jake saying that this song sort of lives in that point of time. And he also was talking about how it finishes on the bridge and it's kind of different. So I'm very excited for this. This is one of my favourite ones that I've been looking forward to on the release. So, Reason to Live, this could be my new favourite Citizen Soldier song. Now, yes, I will get to all of the other ones that we've missed and that we haven't done, but seeing as this has come out and it's perfect timing and I've just sort of, this is the perfect time for me to record a video. It's just come out. It was written in the stars. It was written in the stars. So, before we get started, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe. Check out the links in my description if you want to help support myself and the channel. And without further ado, that was me doing a drum roll. Let's get it.
How many nights have you waited for someone to care? Thinking dying is what you deserve.
They're going straight into it. Straight into it. How many nights have you waited for someone to care, thinking dying is what you deserve? If you're out there and you're feeling like that, keep on keeping on. It gets better. To you. Let's go again. Sorry.
Care, thinking dying is what you deserve. Like a sad song that no one seems to understand. Cause some pain is just too much for words.
Oh.
No, I don't know your name. No, I can't see your face. But I've been to that place in the dark. So in case you just needed to hear someone say, I'm so proud of you for getting this far. So if you're feeling like dying, no tears left for crying, alone at the edge of a cliff. If you're so sick of fighting the monsters you're hiding, and wondering if you would be missed, you're not the only one that's feeling like this. If you're hearing this song, it's a gift, a reason to live.
Fuck's sake. God damn it. I'm meant to be the one giving you guys a positive message and here's me crying like a little bitch. Whew. What the fuck? Okay. Jake, you have absolutely smashed this with the lyrics. Holy shit. That, honestly, I was like, I'm keeping it together, I'm keeping it together. As soon as it came up saying, here we go, this here, became a mess. Guys, if you're out there and you're struggling, it will get better. And I know it sucks to just hear someone say it will get better, but each day is a battle. And the only way you win a war is by winning your battles. But a war isn't just one battle. It's many. Some are hard, some are easy. And the more you win, the easier it will get. The more you give up, the harder it will get. So, sometimes you might have to give up a few times in regards to the battle. Don't give up in the war. Okay. I'm proud of you. Jake's proud of you. The song's here is a fucking gift for you. It's a gift for me too. Thank you very much, guys, for writing this beautiful piece of music, because I'm telling you, I'm holding it together right now. But yeah, like, honestly, life can get tough, but you can get tougher.
This far. So if you're feeling like dying, no tears left for crying, alone at the edge of a cliff.
Hey.
If you're so sick of fighting the monsters you're hiding, and wondering if you would be missed, you're not the only one that's feeling like this. If you're hearing this song, it's a gift, a reason to live.
Hey.
How many times have you reached out for anyone's hand from the depths of your personal hell, and then counted the ways you could end all your pain, 'cause you're so tired of saving yourself.
Counted the ways you could end all your pain. For people who have been there, you'll understand that line hits harder than most. You know, you think all of the different horrible things that you can, and you're there, you're in that spot, and you're like, yeah, that could work, or this could work, or that could, and honestly, it takes you down a real dark path. You're not the only ones who have been there, but I am trying to be a testament as someone who has been there, that you can get through it, and it will be better. It can get better as long as you keep trying and keep on keeping on. Okay? I'm your personal example. Come on, join me. Come join me. Come join me up here. The air smells good.
I'm a stranger at best, but please don't second guess all the hope that you hear in my voice. This is not some cliche, promise you if you stay, someday you'll see that you were well worth that choice.
Yes, you were.
So if you're feeling like dying, no tears left.
Yes, I am.
Crying, alone at the edge of a cliff. If you're so sick of fighting the monsters you're hiding, and wondering if you would be missed, you're not the only one that's feeling like this. If you're hearing this song, it's a gift. What a beautiful truth, that a human can choose to become more than just what they feel. 'Cause the hell in your head will be nothing compared to the person that it couldn't kill. One that's feeling like this. If you're hearing this song, it's a gift. What a beautiful truth, that a human can choose to become more than just what they feel. 'Cause the hell in your head will be nothing compared to the person that it couldn't kill.
I see what you mean about it cutting out. No! Someone's chopping onions downstairs. That's what's happened. And I have something in both of my eyes. And also allergies, and also just insert excuses here. It's edited. I've edited my eyes to look like they were watering. Boom! I can't do that. However, what the that right there is a song that I have been waiting for a long time. It was perfect. Honestly, that song was perfect. The lyrics, the structure of the song, the vocals, just the tone. God damn. You guys have smashed it. The world is a better place with you in it, as they've said here. The world is a better place with you in it. And you know what? It took me a while to realise that the world's a better place with me in it. So if I can do that, you can. Because y'all are a million times better and stronger than I can be. And you know what? That's what I'm here to show you. I could do it, so can you. You, right there. You motherfucker, you. Sorry, I'm getting a bit too aggressive now. I'm glad that it's come out at this point in time. I'm glad that I've been able to sit here and just get straight onto it. We're going to do more Citizen Soldier. We're going to do more Dimash. We're going to do more Jensen Ackles. We're going to do more Home Free. We're going to do more Korean pop stuff. We're going to do more just everything. We're going to be doing everything. I ain't going nowhere. Okay, and if you guys don't want me to go anywhere, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe too. I ain't going nowhere. Alright, this channel is here to stay. I'm here to stay. I hope you guys will stay with me. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Check out the links in my description if you want to help support myself and the channel. Keep on keeping on. See you guys all on the next one. Peace!